Hi everybody, today I'll be showing you how to use Plickers. Plickers are a great way for teachers to get real-time formative assessment by scanning pieces of paper that the students have with an iPhone, iPad, or an Android device. So you'll essentially just hit scan on your device, and once you start moving your phone around the classroom, it'll slowly scan each student's answers, and their name will pop on the screen once you have scanned their answer. So to sign in or create an account, it'll be in the top right of the screen. You can sign in using your Google account. So I've already logged in with my account here. So I'll show you how to print off your cards or Plickers, for instance. It'll be in the top right here. You'll want to click cards. There's different sets you can pick from. For those, it all depends on your personal preference and all dependent on your classes. So for this sake, I'm just going to show you the standard set, which has 40 cards with 2 Plickers per sheet of paper. So this is what the Plickers will look like. Each individual student will be assigned a number. For instance, number 1 here will be for one student, and number 2 will be for a completely different student. So how they answer is how they hold up the Plicker. For example, if the student was answering a question, their answer for the question would be B for how they are holding up the Plicker, because B is on top. If they wanted to answer C for the question, C would have to be up where B is at. So you can print those off, and now I'll show you how to add students so they are assigned the different Plickers. So you'll want to go back to the main page, click on classes on the top there. And for this sake, I've already created a demo class to show you. So you'll want to click demo class. To add students, you'll just type in their name and click enter. Once they click enter, they're then assigned a number. So for instance, myself, I would be assigned card number 11. And to create questions after you'd added all these students into the system, you'll want to go to Library. And for this sake, I've created a folder for organization purposes. So I'll go into there. To add questions, you'll click on the pink button that says Add New Question. So I want to click on that. You can type in the question into the text box. You can create multiple choice or true and false answers with the answers down below. For true and false answers, you'll be using A and B and not using C or D. You can mark the correct answer on the right hand side of the answers here. Or if it's a get to know you type question, you can leave these ones blank here. Once you have created a question, you will click save. So these are the types of questions I've used here. If you want to see what the students respond as, you'll want to go up to report, question history. So it'll show you the different types of answers these students have made, and gives you a great way to see what students are understanding the information. And if for some reason a student does not answer a question in this score sheet here, it will show you by having a gray line through it. And that's everything you need to know for Plickers. Hope you enjoyed.